So hi friends, today I'll be discussing about some of the site observations related to safety. So first observation is you can see is one DG, portable DG without guards. So moving parts we need to cover it up with guards so that entanglement hazards can be avoided. So while working with the DG, some person may come and loose materials can be roll off and chance of entanglement hazards. So one of the observation is that one. Another that behind DG some of the fuels are being stacked. So what happens, some of the thermal radiation like heat will be generated from the DG, and chance of fire hazards is one of the major problem in that observation. So we need to cover up the DG, and all the fuel need to be removed from the places to avoid fire hazards, and we need to some secondary containment to avoid spillage of this kind of fuels or some diesels. So one of the observation is that one. And we need to, before working, we need to ensure that proper third party inspection has been done, proper inspection has been done, then only we have to engage this kind of works. So proper adequate fuel storage shall be done and shall be kept away from the DG, and also the rotating parts shall be guarded, and suppose that the fuels are not being leaked in the places where it is working. So one of the observation is that, and remove all the observation obstructions from the DG. And next one is you can see this is the part of crane in attached in the boom part. So in that one cage has been formed, caged, that means deterioration of ropes, it is wire ropes only. So what happens while lifting something, it will deteriorate the parts like wire ropes, and may chance of broken or split up the wire ropes and lead to some major hazards. So before engaging this kind of works, we need to inspect all the wire ropes or chains, whatever it is regarding tools and tackles, then only we need to engage work activities, and then also periodic daily inspection shall be done to avoid these kind of hazards. And next one you can see that without plug tops, plug tops jackhammer is working, engaging for working. So don't allow this kind of works, because without plug tops may directly, what happens, directly workman will enter the plug inside the sockets and may chance of electrical hazard. So proper industrial type like IP65, IP68 type plug tops shall be provided. Next is you can see some of the PDBs, power distribution board, without proper sockets. You can see some of the insulation and wire came out from the PDB. So what happens, some person without knowledge they will touch the part and it may chance of electrical hazards or electrocution. So proper inspection shall be done, and all PDBs shall be earthed or routed through RCCP to avoid such kind of electrical hazards, and RCCP shall be periodically checked as per norms. Okay, and this is the basic things. And next one you can see that joint is happen. What happens in that jackhammer, the due to some internal heat it will melt out. So this kind of joints do not engage this kind of works. So male female plug tops you can use, and you can connect with the male female plug tops and you can use it. So these kind of joints don't allow this kind of works at the site areas to avoid electrical hazards. So what will happen, due to some electrical or thermal it will burn out and chance of electrical hazards.